At the end of the video, you'll find a valuable gift. It's a quality business plan template that you can download and easily modify to prepare a professional business plan for your business. If you're new to this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this. Starting a welding business can be an exciting venture for those skilled in metalwork and looking to turn their passion into a profitable enterprise. However, like any business, it requires careful planning and execution to ensure success. Here are 10 essential tips to help you kickstart your welding business and navigate the challenges of entrepreneurship in the metalworking industry. 1. Develop a solid business plan. Before striking your first arc, outline your business goals, target market, pricing strategy, and financial projections. A comprehensive business plan will serve as your roadmap and help secure financing if needed. 2. Obtain proper certification and training. Ensure that you and any employees have the necessary welding certifications and training to deliver high-quality work safely. Invest in continuous education to stay updated on the latest techniques and technologies. 3. Invest in quality equipment. Quality welding equipment is essential for producing top-notch work. Invest in reliable machines, safety gear, and tools to ensure efficiency, precision, and safety on the job. 4. Identify your niche. Consider specializing in a specific type of welding or serving a particular industry niche, such as automotive, construction, or custom fabrication. Focusing on a niche can help you stand out in a competitive market. 5. Build a strong network. Forge relationships with suppliers, contractors, and potential clients within your industry. Attend trade shows, join professional organizations, and leverage social media platforms to expand your network and attract business opportunities. 6. Provide exceptional customer service. Deliver outstanding customer service by being responsive, transparent, and reliable. Establishing a reputation for quality workmanship and professionalism will generate repeat business and referrals. 7. Price your services competitively. Research your competitors' pricing while considering your costs and profit margins. Offering competitive rates without sacrificing quality will help you attract and retain customers. 8. Embrace technology. Stay abreast of technological advancements in welding equipment and software. Incorporating automation and digital tools into your workflow can enhance productivity and efficiency. 9. Prioritize safety. Safety should always be a top priority in welding operations. Implement strict safety protocols, provide adequate training, and regularly inspect equipment to prevent accidents and injuries. 10. Focus on marketing and branding. Invest in marketing efforts to raise awareness of your welding business. Develop a professional website, create compelling marketing materials, and leverage online and offline channels to showcase your expertise and attract clients. Conclusion. Starting a welding business requires a combination of technical skill, business acumen, and dedication. By following these 10 tips and staying adaptable in a dynamic industry, you can lay a solid foundation for a successful and fulfilling venture in metalworking. Thank you for watching. As we conclude this video, it's time you get your free business plan template. Go to the description below this video to get it now. It is completely free, no strings attached.